Mark, in this purse, you know what I have?
Some coins?
The sun and the moon.
Looks
I
like a
know,
small purse.
I know. Well, it's specially made. Would you like to look at these? They're just,
Absolutely.
it's a silver coin and a copper coin, but I don't think of them as a silver coin and a copper coin. I think of them as the sun and the moon. The red sun, the silvery moon. And I'll tell you exactly why I think of them this way. Because I've always been fascinated with the sun and the moon, and I've always wondered why you don't usually see them in the sky at the same time. For example, well, you might see them once in a while in the sky at the same time, but usually it's the sun or the moon, the sun or the moon. You know, in other words, they change places every day. In the daytime, the sun is out. In the nighttime, the moon is out. There is one time, however, when you do see them. It happens rarely. When the sun and the moon are in the sky at the same time, they line up with the earth, and the sun seems to disappear bit by bit. Now, we know that this is called an eclipse, right? But hundreds of years ago, they didn't know that it was an eclipse. They didn't think the sun was hiding behind the moon. They thought the sun was just gone, that it was the end of the world. And because they didn't know that, they also didn't know that the sun would come back and that the next day everything would be back to normal. The sun would set, the moon would rise, and the sun would come out the next day. And that's an eclipse.